So I came across this crazy challenge online. Take a foot pic without using your hands. Sounds simple, but honestly, it's way harder than it looks. I'm curious, can I pull it off without dropping my phone or looking a total mess? Let's find out. All right, here's the plan. I'm going to set up my phone on the floor, hit a 3-second timer, and then try to snap a pic using anything but my hands. Maybe my nose, my toes, who knows? And yeah, if my neighbors are watching, they're definitely going to get a free comedy show. Okay, so first try nose press. Didn't really work, and my tablet almost fell off the ledge. Second try toe poke. Pretty close, but nearly a disaster. Okay, so third try, I balanced the phone on the ledge still, but I tried to grab a pencil and use the eraser to press the button. But that definitely didn't work. It didn't even register on the screen. I honestly never thought that taking a simple foot pic could turn into such a workout. Here's what I ended up with. Not perfect, but honestly, it's kind of charming in its own way. Definitely more candid than my usual photos. Proof that sometimes imperfect is just more fun. This little experiment really made me realize how much we depend on our hands for everything, even snapping a pic. But it was surprisingly fun to try something new and silly. If you're selling feet pics or just want to switch up your content, fun and creative ideas like this help you stand out and keep things fresh on platforms like FeetFinder. Now it's your turn. Try the No Hands Foot Selfie Challenge. Tag me or drop a comment if you got a better shot than me. And if you love weird, fun challenges just like this, hit like and subscribe for more creative content ideas. Also, if you're thinking about turning your foot pics into cash, check out FeetFinder.com. It's a legit way to make money flexibly and safely.